Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Spark, where we make learning English simple and enjoyable. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and a big hello to our listeners.
It certainly is. How are you today, Leo?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. I've got my tea right here, and I am ready to go. How about yourself?
I'm really looking forward to our topic for today's show.
We have a very important subject lined up, don't we?
Oh, yes. You mentioned we were tackling a really significant topic. What exactly is it? Today, we are answering the ultimate question.
It's a question almost every single English learner eventually asks.
Oh.
What is the question?
The question is, how can I learn English quickly?
Ah, yes, quickly. I like the sound of quickly. Everyone wants fast results, but Emily, doesn't fast also mean difficult? That's the common assumption.
It's a great question, and fast definitely sounds hard. Many people wonder if just a few minutes a day is enough, but is that really the path to rapid learning? People often ask, is studying for 10 minutes every day effective?
Yeah.
And the answer is yes. 10 minutes is definitely good.
It's a solid start, at least.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. It's a good start, but does it lead to fast progress?
So if 10 minutes isn't the fast track, what is? How do we accelerate?
To achieve truly rapid progress, I believe you need a combination of key elements.
3 things? Okay, I'm listening. I have my notebook ready.
Excellent. First, you absolutely need a plan.
A plan.
Got it. I like having a structure.
Yeah.
Second, you need effort.
Effort. That sounds suspiciously like hard work.
It is work, but it's smart work.
Yeah.
And third, this one is crucial. You need rest.
Rest, as in sleeping?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Effort and rest? Work and sleep?
Yeah.
That sounds like a contradiction.
It sounds like it, but they are partners. They actually work together perfectly.
Yeah, I am definitely ready.
Me too. But hold on, before we jump into step 1, and we'd like to ask our listeners for a small favor. And please give this episode a like or a thumbs up tie-up.
Yeah.
If you can share it with your friends or family who are also learning.
It genuinely helps our channel grow, and we appreciate that support so much.
Yes, we really do. Okay, support secured. Leo, let's get started. Are you ready for step 1?
Okay, Emily, I am ready.
Hit me with step 1.
The plan.
All right. Step 1 is the plan, which is really your routine.
My routine.
A common mistake is binge studying.
Yeah.
People study for 4 hours straight on a Saturday, but then they do nothing on Sunday, nothing on Monday, and nothing on Tuesday.
Saturday is exhausting, and then by Wednesday, I feel like I've forgotten everything.
Exactly. Your brain forgets. A much better plan isn't about one long day, and it's about consistency.
Yeah.
But how consistent? We'll tell you right after this. Yes, please.
If you enjoy our podcast and you're getting value from these lessons, and please take 1 second to subscribe to our channel, English Spark.
A much better approach is not 4 hours on one day.
Yes.
A better plan is perhaps 30 minutes, but it's 30 minutes every single day.
30 minutes every day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can manage that. That's not too overwhelming.
It's not, but here is the real secret to making the plan work.
Don't do the exact same activity every day.
Oh,
Why not?
because it gets incredibly boring.
Yes,
Yeah.
very boring. So if I'm not doing the same thing, what should I be doing?
Yeah.
The answer involves something called time blocks.
You create time blocks.
Yeah.
Each day, your 30 minutes
Mhm.
has a different focus.
A different focus.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
For example, Monday, 30 minutes dedicated to listening.
Yeah.
Tuesday, 30 minutes of reading.
Yeah.
Wednesday, 30 minutes of writing.
Ooh, listening, reading, writing.
Okay.
What about Thursday?
Thursday, 30 minutes of vocabulary. We'll talk more about that one.
Okay.
And Friday, maybe 30 minutes of speaking practice.
Wow, I love that.
This structure is fantastic because the routine itself isn't boring. It changes every day.
But what makes this fast? Exactly. This plan keeps your brain fresh, engaged, and excited.
Yeah.
That is the foundation of a good fast plan. Okay.
So let's take Monday. Monday is listening.
Okay.
I can listen to the English Spark podcast for 30 minutes.
That's simple enough. Is that the effort part you mentioned?
Yes.
Ah, that is the perfect question, Leo.
Yeah.
And that leads us directly to tip number 2, effort.
Effort. Listening to our podcast is good, but is it active effort?
Yeah, we need to discuss the difference between passive and active learning. Listening to our podcast is good.
Yeah.
It's very, very good. But often it's passive listening.
Passive? What does that mean?
Passive listening is when you just listen. You might be driving your car or cooking dinner and the podcast is playing in the background.
My brain is definitely sleepy when I'm chopping onions.
Yes.
To truly learn fast, you can't have a sleepy brain. You need to be active.
Yes.
But what does active mean?
To learn quickly, you must be active.
Active?
You mean like I have to go running?
No, not the gym. Active means your brain is working hard.
Yeah.
You are physically doing something with the information.
Okay, so what can I do?
And this is the single biggest tip for everyone listening today.
Yeah.
This is how you use our podcast or any podcast to learn fast.
Ooh, a secret technique. I'm ready.
Don't just listen. First, get a notebook.
Yeah.
A dedicated English notebook. Once you have your notebook,
Yeah.
and the next step is crucial. When you hear a new word, what do?
If I hear a new word, I guess I just keep listening and hope I remember it.
No.
No.
You stop. You hit the pause button on the episode. Pause. Okay. Then you take that notebook and your pen and you write the new word down.
I write the word. Okay. So I pause and I write.
And one final crucial step.
Yes. You repeat the word out loud. Repeat
So
it.
I have to speak? Yes. If you hear a word like commute, you pause, write COMMUTE and say commute. This changes everything.
Oh, this is very different from just listening.
Wow.
So the magic formula is pause, write, repeat.
That is it. Pause, write, repeat. That, my friend, is active effort.
I see.
I swing your front arm with her.
My brain isn't sleepy anymore.
Oh, yes.
My brain is working hard.
It's working very hard.
Yeah.
Think about it. You hear the word, you see the word when you write it,
Right.
and you speak the word when you repeat it. This is the core of fast learning.
Yeah.
I will never forget that. Pause, write, repeat. But what do I do with this notebook now?
Okay. So my notebook is now full of new vocabulary. I have commute strategy, delicious report, coffee.
Wow, so many words. What is the next step? Great question. This brings us to tip number 3.
The review day. What's
Yes, that. This fits into your weekly block plan.
Yeah.
Maybe you make Saturday your review day.
Okay. Saturday is review day. What do I do?
On Saturday, you do not learn new words.
Yeah.
Yes, but you must not forget the old words. Think about it. If you learn 10 new words, but you forget 10 old words, are you moving fast? No, I'm standing still.
No, exactly.
You're standing still.
Oh, that is so true. I learned the word apple, but I forget the word banana.
Precisely. So on your review day, you open that notebook.
Yeah.
You look at all the words you wrote from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday.
Yeah. I look at commute strategy coffees.
Yeah, Laura. Yes. And you review them, you read them, you say them aloud again, and you try to make a sentence with them.
Show plan for sentence found.
A sentence?
Yes.
A very simple sentence.
Yeah.
For example, my commute was long.
Yeah.
Or the coffee is on the table.
The coffee is on the table. Wow. I just used 2 of my new words in one sentence.
Yes, you did. Good job.
Yeah.
You see, you are reviewing.
Yeah.
This effort makes those words stick in your brain permanently.
This is a complete system pre-pro arbitrarily.
The blocks plan, active effort, and the review day.
Yeah.
You got it.
And that, Leo, is the final tip. It might be the most important tip for learning fast.
Oh, what is it?
Tip number 4, rest.
Rest. No, I want to go fast. I can't rest.
You must rest, Leo. Think about your brain. Your brain is a muscle.
A muscle? Like in my bicep?
Yes. When you go to the gym, you lift weights.
Yeah.
Your arm gets tired. You need to sleep, and the muscle actually grows while you sleep.
That's true, right?
Your brain is identical.
Right.
Studying is hard work.
Yeah.
It's effort.
Mhm.
Your brain gets tired.
Right.
A tired brain learns slowly.
Oh, no.
A happy brain, a rested brain, learns fast.
What kind of were and thinking that means Sora feel.
Wow.
So getting a good night's sleep is actually part of my fast English
Right.
plan.
Right. It is the most important part. You must sleep well. You must also take short breaks, go for a walk, play with your cat, watch a funny video.
So it's okay to stop
It is
studying?
essential to know. It is essential to stop studying. Your brain needs time to organize all the new words. Rest is part of the plan.
Yeah.
So don't study for 5 hours. Study for 30 active minutes. And if you have more time, like an hour,
That's realistic. Many listeners are busy with work and family.
Yeah.
The secret is using the small time you have well and then resting. That is smart and fast.
It is a real plan and anyone can do it.
Okay, let's review the English Spark Fast Plan one more time.
Yeah.
Step 1, have a plan like the daily 30-minute block.
Step 2, use active effort. Whoa.
That's our big tip. When listening, pause, write, and repeat.
Step 3, have a review day. Don't forget your old words, use them in sentences.
And step 4, my new favorite, rest. A happy rested brain is a fast brain.
This is great of iFly for AI. I feel like I can really do this.
Yeah. You can, and everyone listening can too.
Thank you all for listening. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment and tell us, do you have an English notebook?
And please don't forget to subscribe to English Spark and share this episode.
We'll see you next time. Bye for now.